profess, whether we say, I'm a Christian and I reject evolutionary biology, or I'm an evolutionist and I reject Christianity, or if I'm someplace in the middle muddling around here. Nonetheless, everything that we do, everything that we see, everything we say and understand, our entire worldview, the way we formulate our concepts, our thoughts of what we see and know in the world around us, are inalterably or unavoidably affected by these two views.
And that worldview has a very strong influence on what we notice, on the kind of questions we ask.
If you restrict the number of interpretations that you can put on the data with your worldview, then obviously that's going to restrict the kind of theories that you can come up with. So, for example, if you're looking at the materialistic worldview and you're looking at these amazing molecular machines that I enjoy studying, or the information that's recorded in DNA, there are any number of theories that you come up with based on that data that you've collected. But if you're a materialist, none of your theories could suggest that an intelligent mind wrote that information in the DNA. That's a theory that's not allowed.
Evolution belies the laws of physics. Everything moves from a higher to a lower grade. There's always a regression. There is never the reverse. That is the law of thermodynamics. And life defies the law of thermodynamics. So here you have a theory which basically violates every single physical law, and yet it is one of the basic theories which is even enshrined in legislation. That's mind-boggling.
Science is defined as a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. The problem evolution has is that it is not a testable explanation. Evolution necessitates that in some way, somehow, something that is not alive could by itself create something that is alive. This mysterious event has not been observed anywhere in nature or in the laboratory, and therefore it does not pass the scientific method, so it cannot be established as scientific fact. All life consists of DNA, which is very complex, organized information. The reason why natural processes cannot and will never produce life is because natural processes do not create or organize information. Organization requires intelligence, and where we see evidence of organization, we see evidence of God. Therefore, the most supreme revelation the study of science and the natural world can ever grant mankind is a discovery of the existence of the supernatural.
In spite of this, the pride of human bias and man's commitment to a godless worldview still influences our courts and educational institutions, which, to this day, mandate by law evolution be taught as an infallible fact.
People have asked